Oh my goodness, I don't know where to start.
What I want, yeah, I get it. Yeah, that's right, I said it. Live the life you wish.
Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and I have a new wig. I'm sorry, I have them all thrown over my bed. I was just so excited to get these in today. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Sorry guys, my bed is not moved. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Simply just gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm still styling it, but as you see, it is fabulous. Oh, I am still styling it. As you see, it's like everywhere, but it's just like any other hairstyle. You've got to learn how you want to wear it, what suits you best, and it's just something I got to play with. But I want to do a review of this hairstyle that I got in Lightning in the Box. I don't think I'm saying it right, but I'm going to put it right here. Right here. That's where I got this gorgeous wig at, and I'm going to put it right here, the price of it. And in the description is going to be the link where you can get your very own wig, just like this. And if you're watching Lightning in the Box, sponsor me, because I, like, buy all your wigs. Even though I think it's like eBay. It's kind of like an eBay. I think it's like different sellers that sell on there. So, anybody that's watching this that sells on there, hook me up and I will review your wigs, products, whatever. So, pretty much, we have this very beautiful wig. I am in love with this wig. I wanted something pink because I don't have any pink wigs yet. And I'm like, I really want a pink wig. Well, I got me a pink wig. And I got some more wigs that I will be reviewing. So this is not the only wig that I got. Anywho, I'm very pleased with this wig. Now, I want to show you everything about this wig that I am in love with. Okay, first of all, I am in love with the length of it. You don't know if you can see, but the length of it is really long. And it is kind of shiny, like your hair wouldn't be this shiny. So I am hoping over time that that wears off because it is a new wig. I have the habit of when I wear wigs, I like to put sunglasses up here so you can't tell where this meets and my real hair meets. But if you look closely, look real close, ta-da! I got a scalp! I love this wig just for that because it gives me a scalp. And then I'm wondering if I can, hold on. Okay, never mind. I tossed my wig off. Anyway, this is the scalp. You can see it's got the scalp in it. The wig cap is quality itself is amazing. I love the wig cap quality. Beautiful. And then the wig itself, look at that. Oh, so darling. Like when I try to order my wigs, because you see I got naturally dark hair. I try to order wigs that's got the dark hair at the top so it kind of looks real. Ooh. And again, we have the cap. We can wear it like this. We're going to have to figure out how we're going to want to wear a wig. I could very well wear it like this. See, look how cute that is. That is so cute, and you can't even tell that it's fake. I just look like I have my hair dyed this color. Yes, I am loving this wig already. I got glitter in my hair, but yeah, I am loving this wig. So, I give this wig a 10 out of 10, and ooh, it still stays on. Oh, it's kind of falling off, but I'll have to pin it better. I will pin it, but ta-da, da-da, da-da, da-da. I do love that. Oh my goodness, look at those curls. Sorry, the mess of my bedroom, but look at those curls, purple and pink. Oh my goodness. So yeah, guys, I totally am in love with this wig, and yep, I'll be recording my videos in it. So if you happen to see me wearing this wig all the time, you now know why. Hopefully that does not happen during a video.
What I want, yeah, I get it. Yeah, that's right.